In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Google Doc using Optical Character Recognition, or OCR. This quick method will allow you to transform your PDF documents into editable text in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Google Drive is a great place to store and manage all your files, including PDFs, images, and documents. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the PDF document you want to convert. You can either drag your PDF from your computer into Google Drive or upload it directly using the New button found on the left-hand side of the screen, selecting File Upload. After you've located your PDF in Google Drive, right-click on the file. A context menu will appear, and among the options, you'll see one labeled Open With. Hover your cursor over this option, and a secondary menu will appear. From here, select Google Docs. This is where the magic happens. Google Docs will automatically employ OCR technology to convert the content of your PDF document into text. You'll notice that your PDF has now opened up as a new Google Doc. Any text within the PDF should now be editable, allowing you to make changes or add new content as needed. OCR is an incredibly useful feature as it not only converts PDFs, but can also turn images into text. This opens up a world of possibilities when working with scanned documents or image-based text. Remember, while the OCR conversion process is quite effective, it might not always be perfect, especially if the original PDF contains low-quality images or non-standard fonts. You may need to edit the text, ensuring that the formatting and content meet your expectations. Always double-check the converted document, correcting any errors that may arise. By converting your PDFs to Google Docs, you'll gain the ability to collaborate with others in real time. Google Docs provides an easy way to share and edit documents with colleagues, fostering a cooperative environment whether you're working remotely or in the same office. Plus, as you continue to edit and refine your document, it's automatically saved to your Google Drive storage, ensuring your work is consistently backed up. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to convert a PDF into a Google Doc using OCR technology. We hope this tutorial helps make your document management a little easier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching and happy converting!